defense against handgun treated working, fighting back into the live side or the inside of our opponent. Now, same story. Turn around. I want to see where is this hand, the empty hand, little bit. Now at that point, it's very important I pivot by directing and controlling and striking at the same time. This is the most critical part. And I need to step in. Bang. Okay? From here, continue striking, put his arm up, behind his back. Now when I have an extension of the arm, grab the gun, out, strike, tap, right. Okay? Let's do again slowly. These are the angle. Hands up, turn around, strike, 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 remove it, strike,